There's the dragonfly. He's letting us stand right next to him. He's been buzzing around. Say hi, Mr. Dragonfly. Can you say hi, Mr. Dragonfly? Say hi, Mr. Dragonfly. Oh, you're going to try to kiss him? Say hi, Mr. Dragonfly. Haley, look at Mama. Haley.
Mr. Dragonfly. Let's see how close I am.
I know. You're right there up on it. Well, put your head up there. Oh, oh.
There he goes.
There he goes. Where's he going to go?
Right there.
Where'd he go?
Right there. He went to the next one.
There he went. There he went right there. Whoa!
There he goes. He's right there. That's a good one.
Yeah. Let me see if I can switch it over. Okay. You guys see him eating? His mouth is like, no, Tyler, don't, baby. Don't. See? I told you.
He went right there.
Where?
Right over to the next plant again. Right there, right there, right there, right there.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Probably
whoop,
went
whoop,
to go visit his butterfly.
Okay, nope. See if he'll land back over here. See if we can videotape. Oh, he doesn't want to cooperate. There he is, right there.
He's trying to get
you see his mouth moving?
He's trying to get a good pose. He looked at me.
See his mouth moving? Nope, looking around. He's saying, hey there. Hey there. Look at his, like his mouth moving. I don't know what part of that, what it is. Whoop, he's having a little bit of a fit. He's looking at you. He's saying, why are you so close to me? Are you waving at him? Don't make him fly away. Say, hey, Mr. Dragonfly. I doubt, seriously, he's going to want to land on your hand. Oh, he's got an itch.
You got a little itch.
He got an itch. You know what? I have an ant biting my foot.
Where?
Right there. See it?
Oh.
Biting my foot. Thank you. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Huh? was showing me what it was really about. To her, she said that it was a way of, she said, loving.